Let's begin by launching Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Select the Bookmarks icon located on the top left of the address bar. Now select the History icon to display your current history. If you wish to get rid of some of your browsing history, you can do so by swiping left on any single history item and pressing Delete, or by swiping completely to the left to delete. If you wish to delete all of your history, simply navigate to the bottom left, tap on Clear. This will present you with 4 period options. For this example, we will choose All Time to delete the entire history. If you want to get rid of all your browser history, along with cookies and other browsing data, simply navigate to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Safari. On the right-hand side, scroll down until you locate the Clear History and Website Data option, then tap on it. It will prompt you to choose Cancel or Clear to delete all history, cookies, and other browsing data. Choose Clear to remove the data. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and thanks for watching.